This is the first time fit. As you can see, I've got a little bit of a struggle on there trying to get the angle right. The opening is 20mm bigger. I will close the side returns up. I've just got it on there. I just wanted to be careful of the exposed resin joint and obviously the bottom of that tile. I'm going to speed it up just so that you can see a bit quicker. But yeah, it was a bit of a struggle making sure those mirror feeds came through in the correct spot. Now, the holes that I cut were bang on tight, but as you'll see now, I'll show you, it will just need a little bit of a tickle to set that right, and I'll probably explain that during the video as well, so you might hear that twice, but I'm just checking what's needed. Quick check with a level. That was the first fit. Now, what it needs, a little bit around there, just needs to be freed a little bit just so it can sit down a bit more. It's actually reading very, very close to level. Let's see if I can get you that. It just says it there, it wants to go down a fraction. And I can pick that side up and notch the difference. But to be fair, for a first time fit, .9% of the time, if you work from a centre line to your dimensions, you will always be right. So here I am struggling again. This is after adjusting the holes for the wall mounted basin mixers. Now I'm just carefully sliding that in, obviously being mindful not to damage, because then it'll be a lot of work to get back to this stage. Deep breath, pull up the trousers, shout out Calvin Klein. Again, making sure those mirror feeds are not obstructing the tile from sitting back. Now it just needs a little lift and a push, and that should sit just right now. Bang on, really. I can pick that and give that a gap. The bottom three. Yes. So I can just lift that. Now, if you want to know where these suckers are from, these are from Tops Tiles. Been really good. Bought them specifically for this tile. They're lightweight, a little bit durable, but they're perfect. Lovely. That's solid. Okay. So, working from a centre line, you're 99.9% going to be right, because that line never changes. As long as you refer that centre to that centre, whatever you're measuring from here back will always be the same. As long as you transfer the measurements exactly, you may need a little tweak here or there, but if you're worried, go under slightly so that you can just keep adjusting. but first attempt, it was there, but it wasn't sitting right. Just opened up the holes a little bit, create that bit of opportunity for it to move slightly, and it sits perfectly in place. So we're bang on level as well, which is how it should be. But yeah, now I've got to get it out and get it back in with a load of adhesive on the back. You'll see.